Here we go. No. Oh! A lot of destruction on this one, guys. Stream 3. It has some issues. Power move. Get a side of biscuit gravy for dipping. Well, good morning, everybody. Cheers. It is about 5:15. It's 53 degrees Fahrenheit. So says the thermometer on the wall. So it's chilly but nice. No rain today. I am going to try to find out what 2 more streams look like 1 year after Hurricane Helene. If you saw yesterday's episode, you saw I did 2 streams. They both are good. I'm encouraged by that. I'm actually going to stop by the second stream again. Just hit that one pool. It's a big pool, heavily populated. Those fish rise all the time. So I'm going to try to pick a couple more up on dry flies. I can't resist a good wild trout stream, especially with brookies in it. So we'll start there. Actually, we're going to start at Bojangles. I'm going to grab Bojangles for breakfast, head over to the stream, and see what we can get today. Come along, guys. This is 1 year after Helene, and there are still road closures. It's the secondary roads, the dirt roads that they're still trying to fix. The damage is just astonishing, and the resilience of these people is just amazing. All right, guys, we're at stream 2 that we were fished yesterday, but there are usually some risers in this pool in the morning and evening. So, bamboo, biscuits, stopped at Bojangles. Power move, get a side of biscuit gravy for dipping. And that just really does it. Normally, sausage, egg, and cheese from Bojangles, 8 out of 10. With the dipping, 9 out of 10. Oh boy, that's a big one. That is a big fish. That might be the biggest fish I've ever hooked in here. Oh. And I almost gave up on this hole. This is going to be tough. Wow, he wants nothing to do with this. I think when he figures out what's going on, he's going to make a run upstream. I might have to chase him, or he might turn and come down, but oh, a jumping brown. Come on, come on, come on. Here we go. No, oh. Yeah, this is the biggest fish I've ever hooked in this stream. My goodness. So Helene did not destroy it. Come on, buddy, come on. Oh, another one. Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. Just give me a little opportunity. This is at a standstill. I'm gonna risk it and get that leader into the guides because this is extra long. I hate doing that though. He's on 6X. Gotta be careful with that. Okay, come on now. Nope. Oh, wow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That is a big fish. I've fished the stream for a long time and never saw anything like that. I'm telling you, jumping brown, Man, my heart was racing. I had to take a minute to calm down before I did this little monologue. So I'm gonna move on to stream number 3 and see how that's over there. I doubt I'm gonna top this, but man, oh man, that was amazing. Well, guys, this had vegetables on it last May. It's a lot of the vegetation has been cleared. There's a lot of rock and such. Well, there were a lot of trees and bushes, etc. back in May. A lot of that has been removed and replaced with some big boulders and rocks. I'm not sure how this is going to be, but we're going to get down there and work up. All right, guys, just a demonstration. This is about shoulder height. Let me swing this around. This is about shoulder height. And all that rubble is still up there. So that shows the water is at least that high. At least that's as high as it was. So a lot of destruction on this one, guys. There's a good fish. All right. Well, it needed to be a little deeper. So yeah, that's the way to do it. When I get to runs like this, there's a little deeper. Just tie that second nymph on. Gives you the depth you need. I mean, that's really why I got that big brown. The colors on that. Wow, what a beautiful fish. Well, this metal is from a bridge that used to be across the creek. You can see the left is the road, and there was a car bridge that they would drive across into their driveway. Now, what a lot of the folks here have done have replaced those with maybe temporary pedestrian bridges. I'm not sure if they're going to rebuild the car bridges or not. That was stream 3, and it's got some problems. There's something very interesting though. I am catching more brook trout in further down in the drainage. Like way up is where I used to catch the brook trout. So I don't know if they were washed down during Helene and have, you know, put up a little house or something, whatever fish do. But it is very interesting. As you saw, a bunch of brooks, and this water was exclusively browns and rainbows until now. And upstream, like I said, there were some really nice brook trout up there, but it would get real skinny and you're just dapping and everything. But they're in regular runs, regular holes. They're beautifully colored. It's coming up on spawn time, so that's great. I'm gonna eat lunch. I brought my leftover Bojangles, and then I'm gonna head over to stream 4 and see what we can find over there. Cold fried chicken. Excellent picnic food. Right, Raymond? All right, fishing fans, stream 4. So far, so good. Driving up the drainage, I didn't see a lot of damage or anything, so I'm going to climb down this gorge and work my way up. This also has some brook trout in it, as stream 3 does. I'm curious to see if they are washed down to lower pools and runs as well. So, stream 4. So this must be a bit of an embutment or something, but this was not here pre-Helene. So it looks like it jammed against this rock that was a big boulder that actually was here and caused all this to pile up on top of it. So it's different. Oh boy. It's a good fish. punch, knuckle buster. Anywho, so stream 3 and 4, both pretty good. I caught a few here at stream 4, but the stream itself is good. It doesn't seem like it's been beat up as much as some of the other ones. I did not catch any abnormal amount of brook trout in this stream, so stream 3 was very, very interesting that there were so many brook trout downstream where they normally weren't before Helene. So that's a very interesting thing. I'm curious to see how that plays out. So we're gonna smoke a little bit of the cigar, pack up. Actually gonna hit stream 5 today. Moving a little faster than I thought, but that's always good. So stream 3 and 4, 8 out of 10. A little concerned about 3, but not horribly. Okay, fishing fans, we're back at the Airbnb. Gaelic Ale, cheers. Stream 3, it has some issues, but I think they're okay. The most interesting thing about that is so many wild brook trout that were up in the headwaters of this stream are now down 2-3 miles lower in the drainage than they were before. So I don't know the science behind it. Maybe John McMillan, my buddy, can help us out on that. But it's crazy. And these are not tiny little brook trout. You know, you're talking 10-inch wild brook trout. That's a good fish in North Carolina. So that is the main thing that I'm just wondering, is this going to tilt the thing? Now, there were a lot of very small baby rainbows and browns, but those were adult brook trout. It's just mind-boggling. But anyway, so the stream itself, I think, is in good shape. What it's going to do as far as species, it's going to sort itself out, but it's going to be okay. Stream 4, again, that stream's good. There's no problems with that. It's almost exactly like it used to be. And then I did get to stream 5. I only fished about maybe a half a mile of it. It was fine. I did see some other parts of the stream that look a little funky, some scouring, loss of vegetation, but overall it looks good. So we're up to 5 streams now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them are still fine. This is 1 year after Helene. Some of them showed signs of issues back in May. That would have been 8 months after Helene. But they made it through the summer, and that's what I was really concerned about, with the lack of vegetation and the direct sunlight to heat the water up. And these trout are very, temperature sensitive. So great day on the water, guys. That brown trout I caught early this morning, I still don't have words for that. I've been fly fishing for trout for over 25 years, and I still get goosebumps, like literally goosebumps when I caught that fish. So yeah, I guess I found the right sport or hobby or whatever you want to call it. So anyway, everybody, I'm gonna do some dinner tonight, and then we'll hit a couple streams tomorrow. I have 2 in mind that I want to get to throughout the day. One is a brook trout stream, one is a catch and release fly fish only, and we're going to check those out and see how they go. So follow along, do whatever you need to do, and we'll have some dinner, and then see you tomorrow.